we are here, and as promised, a cool video coming up right here at Jabbas Seafood and Grill, and you go check it out how all is done. You like pepper shrimp? You like pepper shrimp? Well, then stay tuned. Greetings.
Hello,
How are you? Where in Kingston can seafood lovers get delicious pepper shrimp, seafood boil, lobster, curry crab, shrimp pasta, and more? Well, today I show you one of my favorite places located in Kingston. I will join Jabba's seafood takeout in the kitchen today. The same Jabbas you can find in the supermarket for spicy pepper shrimps ready to eat. People, I'm right here with the chef himself.
Right, everybody. How are you doing, Jessica?
Good. I'm excited to be here.
Alright, so this is Jabbas. We're going to do a simple cooking class really today just to give you some feels of doing some local recipes. We're going to do some shrimp, like some festival. Anything that you're interested in doing, you can whip it up today. We have some peppers, sweet pepper, garlic.
Shrimp. That's
the shrimp.
Are you ready? Let's go. We go right into this kitchen. What's up? Alright guys, and we also have in the chicken kitchen and a chicken kitchen. Why did I say? Oh, because we was looking for chicken. What's your name?
Jaleel.
Jaleel. Right here, preparing some shrimp. Very nice. And in Jabba's kitchen, guys. I told you, a surprise. Alright, we're gonna learn how we're gonna do these shrimps, pepper shrimps, yeah. And then we see what else we're gonna prepare today. Yeah, man. We're gonna here in the food.
Here.
Yeah.
Key ingredients, of course, pepper shrimp. Is the pepper. Alright? So, well, based on the amount of shrimp that we're doing, I don't even know if I'm going to tell it. Using up those, guiding line. Alright, Chef Charles?
Talking of experience.
Yeah, we
Got some.
lose some tips and tricks every now and then. And then end up preparing.
Alright people, so I cut up some scotch bonnet pepper, and we have onion and sweet pepper. There is black pepper here, we have salt, we have the shrimps, butter, and yeah.
I'm not going to use this, I just had to put these just in case I didn't know what we're going to be cooking today. So we can pepper.
That was just decor.
That was more decor. So
Alright.
this is where we're at right now. So we'll move over to the pot. I can add that to the pot. What we're going to do is we're going to put the shrimp. We're going to first melt the butter, put the shrimp in there, add the seasonings, and we're going to saute it. Saute it, and we're going to add the salt with a little bit of water, and then just allow it to simmer.
I'm excited.
It's actually some barbecue chicken breast I'm going to put in. Okay?
So, what are we doing here now?
Okay, gonna make some festival mix. Well, festival dough. That's cornmeal.
Alright, so we have cornmeal and we have regular flour, sugar.
The baking powder.
You want to tell me stuff?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you stuff. We're going through all that. Let's go ahead. There you go.
grown corn, sweet corn, very good, fresh, high quality from a friend of mine called Chris. But it's really good. Locally grown sweet corn, very good. So what we're gonna do is you like curry, garlic. All right, so let's get to some seasoning.
Oh, yeah.
Put in here some far, potato, egg. Put in here some far, potato, egg, seasoning.
Thin slice onion.
What we have in here, chef?
Seafood boil, have crab, corn, Irish, shrimp, and also sausage.
Sausage. We're making a curry lobster here.
Yeah.
This is a lot of fun sounds.
Food boil, people. Oh, it's not finished. Sauce.
Almost finished.
For example, the story of the girl is going to be ambushed them to the pimento and all these natural seasonings. So this is the final product. You can order it right now. Yes, call in. Say you want the seafood boil. Yeah, right here at Jabbas in Kingston. Yeah. No guys, I didn't caught this one.
Sometimes it's like it's just ready. The pepper is just what we need. Because when you
Yes, people, this is nice. Come and order your escovitch lobster and rice and vegetables. Really lovely. So now I have basically my own, a little bit of everything to try. And I cannot wait to dig into this because now I am hungry. Alright guys, this was super cool. Thanks for letting me into your kitchen.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming to our home.
Man. So a couple of questions. So guys, I'm curious now, what inspired you to start Jabbas? Swims.
Well, it really started out of my love for food, and also tried it out one time when I was working in the bank. And
In the bank?
yeah, I used to work at Scotia Bank. Loved it. And so eventually what happened is that when I left the bank, I kind of capitalized on what I learned cooking for people there, and then started out on this business. Because I realized that there was a great demand for pepper shrimp, but just that people probably didn't know exactly where to trust and where to get it.
Right.
And so we found a way to give them a quality product that they would love and appreciate that. So it just
Love it. So cool. Follow your passion, people, from corporate to cooking. And now you have this amazing product, guys. Look here, you can buy right here in Kingston your pepper shrimp. Where can people find this product?
Well, located in more supermarkets across Kingston, so we're talking like Lashushan, East Food Fair, Shoppers Fair, Progressive Grocers, Dumplings supermarkets. We have some stores in, we're actually opening an outlet in Osherias by Island Village.
Nice.
That's coming up in the next month or so.
And why, basically?
Basically, we need
Yes.
to go to Portland.
Portland?
Yeah, we're not
All
there
right,
as yet.
Portland. If anybody supermarket is listening, order your pepper shrimp from Jabbas Pepper Shrimps. All right, that is super cool. And you have also here takeaway in Kingston.
Yeah, so we do takeout lunches.
Seafood.
This is some of the good stuff. With the lobster, seafood,
Right.
boils, fish.
So where do people
Pasta.
find you if they are in Kingston and want to try?
We're at 7 Groves Terrace. That is up Manor Park side. Take a left turn right as you reach to the roundabout.
Nice, people, don't worry, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you can order your food. As you see in the video, it's delicious. Yes. Anything you want to say?
Guys, this is the best pepper shrimp product on the market. Jessica is now a certified Jabbas chef.
Right.
Like, subscribe to her page, and just love the content. Thanks guys for all the support so far. And
Wicked. And head over to Jabba's Instagram as well. That's also where you can order and you can look at the menu and all of that. Alright. Guys, catch you up on the next second. Bye.
So okay. Mommy? So good. I got my gloves on. Let me get this off. Yeah. So I have some curried crab, pepper shrimp, shrimp pasta, corn festival. Yes. All right. Pasta. Yes, people. Oh man. It's nice.
All right, let's see if I can manage the pepper shrimp.
So good. Yeah, people. Definitely to come here, check out Jabbas right here in Kingston and get some delicious seafood. Yes.